Hi guys, here is Guangzhou Tycorun Energy Co. Limited. Today I'm going to introduce to you how to make lithium batteries in 12 voltage 400 ampere hour. After got the cell batteries, those batteries have done of capacity grading. First of all, using UV machine automatic to connect the cells in parallel by spot welding. The battery cells which connected in parallel are separated by isolating paper and assembled together. Welded the battery with the data collection line together and then weld the positive and negative wires by solder wire in turn. Then fix a BMS board on the top of the battery pack with isolation paper that can collect the data such as battery voltage and capacity. The BMS protection board can monitor the battery states in every time and provide protections such as overcharge, over-discharge, overcurrent, and over-temperature when necessary. To connect the data collection line to the BMS board and then test the voltage and internal resistance. After testing, the isolation waterproof glue to seal the exposed wires. Then pass the buffer isolation spong on the bottom and put it into the ABS box. And connect the positive and negative wires to the positive and negative ports of the cover box. Then inject the waterproof glue into the space around the box to fix the battery pack. After 3 hours of drying, a battery that can be recycled for more than 2,000 times is finished. If you have any product-related questions, please contact us. Thank you.